Hello, today we're going to look at how to pass multiple arrays to the date function. You may know that the date function does this. That's today's date. It produces a date. And you can put a sequence in here. So let's say sequence 10, and that will produce 10 dates starting from the 1st of February. But if I want to get the first 10 days of different months, sequence, let's say the first 2 months of 2025, that doesn't work. So let's build a function that will make it work. First of all, let's think about how we can pass lots of different parameters into a function. Well, we can use the map function to do that, but first we need to build a list of the parameters to pass into the map function. In the example we just saw, we had 1 year, and we had 2 months, which was sequence 2, and we had 10 days, which was sequence 10. To get all the combinations of those, there will be 2 months times 10 days times 1 year. So that will be 20 rows, 20 dates will be produced. We can build all of this manually. So we can say 2025 and drag that down for some rows like that. And I think that's 20 rows if I've done it properly. That's 20 rows. And now we want 10 rows for January. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rows for January. And then we're going to have 2 rows for February. And then here we will have the 10 days for, we will have the 10 days for January and the 10 days for February. And we can then use map and have the years as one array and the months as another array and the days as another array, and then put the date as the function, and it will pass row by row each of these parameters into the date function and create 20 dates. And what we need to do is build this automatically. We have a function called cross-join, and cross-join is a Lambda function that was created by Eric Ohm, creator of Excel and OA Robot. And this cross-join function lets you pass 2 arrays. So in this case, I'm going to pass the year and the months, and it will give you the cross-join, or rather the Cartesian join between those 2 arrays. So in this case, I've got 2025 twice, and then 1 and 2. Now, what I can do further than that is cross-join the result of that with the days. And that will give me the 20 dates that I need to pass into map. It may not come as a surprise to you that if we can build that with a single formula, and we can build this with a single formula, then we can build all of it with a single formula, and we can create a function that will do it for us. So I've already done that, and that's this date.exp function, and you can see that it's using the cross-join to cross-join first the months and the days, and then it's cross-joining the result of that, which is month-day join, with the years to produce year-month-day join, and then it's using choose calls to extract the year array, extract the month array, and extract the day array, and pass them into the map function exactly as in the same way as it is in column O. The only slight change is that I've added sort at the end to ensure that the dates come out in the correct order. This is the definition of the cross-join function that Eric Ohm produced. It's available on gist.github.com under Excel Robot. So we've got date.expanded. Let's see how it works. Date.exp, and I'm going to do something a bit more complex. I'm going to say sequence, and I'm going to have 2 years, 2025 and 2026, and I'm going to do the first 3 months, and I'm going to do 3 days from each of those months, but it's going to start on the 1st and every 7th day after that. You can see that it's got the 1st, the 8th, and the 15th from each of the first 3 months of 2025, and then the 1st, the 8th, and the 15th from each of the first 3 months of 2026. And that is how the date.exp function makes good use of Eric Ohm's brilliant cross-join function to expand the usability of date in Excel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.